Creating a ChatGPT account is a piece of cake. To get started, open up your Chrome browser and type in ChatGPT. This will take you to a page where you can either sign in if you already have an account or sign up to create a new one. If you already have an account, just click on the sign in button and enter your email address. If you prefer to sign in using your Google, Microsoft or Apple account, that's fine too. Once you have entered your password, click on sign in and you will be taken to the ChatGPT home page. On the home page, you will see all of your chats. If you are interested in upgrading your account, just click on the upgrade option to choose between a free plan or an activity plus plan. But don't worry, we will be using the free plan for now. If you click on your email ID, you will be taken to the settings page where you can customize your chat settings like the theme, and if you ever need to clear your chats, just click on the clear button and you are good to go. I just wanted to share with you how amazing it is to use this feature. It's really simple to start a chat and even easier to stop it when you are done. Plus, if you ever need to delete a chat, you can just click on the trash icon. For instance, I tried typing "Hi, who are you?" and ChatGPT replied with "Hello, I'm ChatGPT," and so on. It's cool how it generates responses based on what you type. Now you can also write a poem or increase the size of the poem by just typing it. I recently asked ChatGPT to suggest some technology blog post titles for me. It gave me 20 options to choose from. And I ended up selecting the 11th option, which was all about coding the future, exploring trends and innovations in software development. With just a few clicks, I was able to start writing a blog post on this topic. It's truly amazing how user-friendly this user is. I noticed that the FAQ is not provided by ChatGPT, so I simply write FAQ. There we go. If you want the focus keyword for this blog post, we just need to write focus keyword for this blog post. It will generate for you like coding the future or software development. You can create an entire blog post just by inputting a few commands, and if you need a meta description, it will suggest one for you too. The best part is that the post is entirely generated by ChatGPT and you can share it with others by clicking the share button and copying the link. This is just the first part of our video. Meet you in the next part.